Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This oversized towel from PRIS+SAND is going to become your favorite companion for all of your adventures this season. It's huge, but it does not take up a lot of space. It's very soft and very absorbent. I really love the fact that they have two different colors, so it's not going to be a boring towel. It's got a beautiful solid color, and then it's got a beautiful pattern, a vibrant, fun pattern on the other side. So it's really the look of two different towels in one. And even though it's oversized and very absorbent, again, it does not take up a lot of space. I folded it next to the traditional beach towel. You can really see the difference there. And this towel from PRIS+SAND comes with a little carrying pouch. So that keeps it well folded, all rolled up, and easy to take with you anywhere. You can keep it in your purse, you can keep it in the trunk of your car, and you'll always have it with you. So whether you're using it poolside or beachside or as a picnic blanket, this is going to be the towel you take everywhere. It even fits in the cup holder of my car, so I never leave it behind. I love taking it to the beach because even if I was to get sand on it, this towel is so great at repelling the sand. Sand is the biggest enemy when it comes to the beach and towels, but that's no problem for this towel because it just rolls right off. And this little hook makes it so simple to hang it, and it dries very fast. I take it everywhere with me, whether I'm gonna have a seat with my best friend and just enjoy the outdoors, or if I need a towel for the beach and pool, this is my go-to towel. I love taking it everywhere. And that is my point of view.